Welcome back to the channel. Whenever I can't park by the cats to feed them and I have to park up the road, it never ceases to amaze me how they know it's my car. And they all come tearing up the road. But they're always happy to see me. Right, so the update is Mum Cat here isn't a stray, she has a home. And if there are any babies, they're kept out of sight. But she's not the friendliest of cats. She fights with a few of them, especially the big black one. Now the other tabby that was pregnant, whether it was a phantom pregnancy, but I haven't seen any other kittens, and the third cat, I haven't actually seen her. So, hope she's okay. As usual, they're always hungry. And I can actually stroke the black cat now. Can't pick him up, which is a problem because I can't get him to the vets. So I'm not sure what's going to happen there. And this little one never gets any bigger.
I know you.
This one I know from up at the house. Word's obviously getting around. And these two I always feed separately. It works, so we keep it like that. If I do find any babies, I will let you all know.